Intergovernmental Authority on Development, in partnership with the United Nations Capital Development Fund, is hosting a two-day forum for governors of the central bank from the IGAD member states in Nairobi. The initiative aims towards unlocking the huge potential of migrants' remittances for sustainable development, which has been hindered by the high cost of remittance in the region. According to Dr. Patrick Njoroge, the Central Bank of Kenya governor, digitalization should be the front and center of these changes, adding that the introduction of small tickets will also be a boost to the sector. Let's take a look.
A recent report by the Central Bank of Kenya shows Kenya is currently ranking in more foreign exchange from its diaspora remittances than each of its major exports, including coffee, tea and horticulture. However, despite the sector experiencing drawbacks such as high remittance cost and poor diaspora policy, it's still one of the highest contributors of IGAD member states' GDP. According to Dr. Patrick Njoroge, the Central Bank of Kenya governor, in his speech today during the IGAD member state Central Bank's governors meeting in Nairobi, digitization should be the front and center changes in the sector, adding that introduction of small tickets will also be a boost.
Digitization should be front and center of that. And there are three things that I think are important here. First, of course, is the possibility of having small ticket sizes. So the remittances don't need to be large, sort of waiting until you have to send what, $500 or anything like that. No, even $20, even $10. You can do it small ticket sizes. And actually, the increase, again, going back to the data that we have in our survey, and you see how much the size, the ticket sizes, most of it is actually on the lower end of the numbers.
IGAD strongly believe that the central banks, in their capacity as a principal financial regulatory institutions, are very instrumental in promoting the development of enabling remittance policies, eliminating inhibitions and disincentives, as well as ensuring that the inflow of diaspora and migrant workers' remittance to our region is to be smooth, affordable, safe, accessible, and reliable.
In 2020, sending remittances to Kenya cost an average of 8.3% of the amount sent, corresponding to $200. It was one of the lowest costs recorded since 2011. The highest was registered in 2011, when sending money to Kenya was charged 14% of the total sum transferred. However, the IGAD region is still experiencing the high rates, with the current rates being 8.9%.
The cost and volume of sending money to the IGAD region are still high compared to other parts of the world. The average cost of sending remittances of the IGAD region is 8.9%, compared to the global average of 6.5%. And this is nearly 3 times the Sustainable Development Goal target rate of below 3%.
Regional harmonization of remittance policy and regulatory frameworks provides opportunities to deepen financial markets, make monetary policy more successful, reduce supervision and implementation costs, and open remittance service access to a broader population, thereby fostering economic growth. Moreover, it provides more streamlined supervision, better interconnected financial services, and the proliferation of the new technologies across border remittance service providers transfer know-how to other member states.